overhead toolbar allows you to hang crucial tools, lights, and other items from the front of the rack, keeping them close at hand. When adding the overhead toolbar, remember that the front posts of the FlowCell unit must be 84 inches tall. The materials in the assembly kit include hardware and brackets. Using the 3/8-inch bolts, attach the two brackets at the top of the front post. Place the toolbar strut channel so that it rests on top of the brackets. Use the remaining two bolts to attach the toolbar to the brackets. Insert the bolts through the brackets and into the toolbar from below. Tighten the bolts to secure the toolbar.